Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series that I do weekly on Wednesday about things we've done past week and everything else. I will be talking about Starfield as well. I've been playing about 8 hours of it since yesterday, and that's okay. The game's okay. It's not like groundbreaking in my opinion. I know people have problems and some really dumb problems with it, and I don't understand why. For example, you have a choice to use pronouns or not. It's a say freaking Baldur's Gate 3 had it, and then Baldur's Gate 3 didn't have that backlash for it, and I don't fucking understand it. But yeah, subscribe, like, and share. If you do like the video, please um, you know follow, like, whatever, share. What you guys do nowadays. We've been working on a lot of the prints. I am actually, this is the last D&D video for November scheduling that I'm working on, the Butcher and the Ghost. I can show right now. Right here for this and the Butcher. These are for D&D. The other ones I could probably use it for Age of Sigmar for my Night Hunt guard, but I haven't worked on my Age of Sigmar yet. Yes, this is the Butcher from Diablo 1. They upgraded from 3 and 4, I believe. Every variation that kind of looks similar, but they're kind of different as well. So we got that coming up. Then we'll be working on the Leviathan Space Marine part that I'll be converting into Blood Angels. That'll be 4 videos for those. I'm working on the STL September video for the month. And I'm trying to get stuff scheduled a little bit earlier, especially with shorts. I'm probably going to schedule stuff with shorts from now on due to the fact that I might not have time by the end of this month because my dad's going to come down and visit from California, so I'm going to be spending time with him. So I'll be scheduling a lot of early videos and a lot of the videos for it, and having 3 new kittens in the house is a lot more enjoyable. And I have to close the door, and it's freaking hot in here, and I can't even turn the fan on because for some reason NVIDIA voice is not working too well with it as well. So that is a huge bummer. We are going to have to buy some more MSP acrylic pro paint for that. More whites and blacks that I've been using a hell of a lot of. I've been using a lot of wet palettes, especially on speed paint. Water down your speed paint by a few drops of water. It will make your paint go a lot smoother when you're base coating it. If you're doing a actual detailing, do not water it down. You do want the coloring for that as well. But other than that, we have um, going to be planning on live stream. I have to update the calendar for this month as well. What video is going to be out and so forth. I know Thursday we're having the Fat Dragon painting videos, so speed and normal for those as well. We are going to be doing a Python live stream of Starfield on the weekends. Uh, do not really know yet what I'm going to be planning on doing. I know that I got to clean my office, clean a lot of stuff in the house before my dad comes over and sees what a pig style I am. Yes, I am a pig style. Um, a lot of good comments, sweet comments that I replied to. So far, channel is growing slowly. It is at a nice pace because I don't think I could deal with a huge swarm of people, but that's fine as well. I'm pretty much up for the challenge. The Tyranids are all done except for this Tyranid right here that I need to add to it. The Parasite of Vortrix that we're gonna have to paint. We got some Nurgle stuff, and we're pretty much done with all Nurgle. We got some vehicle Nurgles. We got some plagues. One. I need to finish up my Blood Angels. So once and then the chaos is all done, I'll be 3D printing some towels. So I will be printing towels and painting towels. I am not going to buy a lot more Games Workshop due to the fact that it is getting ridiculously expensive just to buy the box and putting it all together. So it's cheaper in the end for me just buying bottles of resins and start putting them out myself. I'm probably going to start with a lot of mechs, big mechs, especially the Forge World style mechs, and that will work from there to smaller ones for future videos. Hopefully that video will be out by mid of next year, due to the fact that I think from all the Leviathan set that we finished, that'll be 4 videos that'll be done. Then we got the Wrath of the Soul Forge King. That'll be probably 8 videos on that. Remember, like Warhammer videos, pretty much. There's 8 Warhammer videos a week, speed and normal per month, and there's 8 D&D painting video, speed and normal together as well. So there'll be 4 actual video content, just different speed variation. For those, I want to get a camera just to see, if you guys want to see ASMR, see what 3D print speeding looks like. I guess I don't really know. If you guys have any ideas of what you guys really want me to do, please let me know. Give me a good idea of what do you guys think I should do or what I should not do. I want to buy some more paintbrushes, and I want to actually review them because I work with a lot of Walmart paintbrushes due to the fact that they're cheap. I'm not going to throw them away if they're really bad. A lot of the expensive ones, they do tend to last a little bit longer, but not as long, especially how I paint. I use the thin brush more than the big brushes due to the fact that I want control over that as well. I am saving up money, and next month we are going to buy a video card, so I'll start streaming some Switch games finally. We still have some games I haven't touched yet, like the Pikmin 4, the Breath of the Wild, Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. I haven't really played it as much. I have a lot of games that I gotta do. Also, the new DLCs coming out for Pokemon as well. I want to do some primer ones as well. Making primer and washes is got to a point that it's just cheaper to just buy a big bottle of it than buying the actual ingredients to mix it. So that's becoming a case for that as well. Well, anyhow, this is pretty much what I have so far been during the week and what I got so far for it. Thank you guys very much for your support. If you guys want to support this channel, there's a link down the social tree for Patreon and Steam Lab. If you guys do want to help, and there's also a link for if you want to buy me some miniatures and paint and brushes for that. I will give you a shout out for that as well. But overall, I think that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Do I have any other boxes coming in? I hopefully not, because like after like a few days, a couple weeks, I forget like what's coming in the mail, and I'm like, oh god, we got a freaking box of miniatures for it. And there is the wife. Say hi, Ashley.
Hi.
Say bye, Ashley.
Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.